AI is changing the game, and in 2025, these 5 AI tools can help you make serious money. Let's dive in. ChatGPT Pro, the ultimate AI writing tool for bloggers, content creators, and businesses. Use it for copywriting, script writing, and even coding assistance. MidJourney AI, turn your creativity into cash. Generate AI-powered art and sell it on platforms like Etsy and Adobe Stock. Shopify Magic, AI-driven e-commerce automation that helps you optimize ads, customer support, and product recommendations, boosting online sales. Pictory AI, create faceless YouTube videos in minutes using AI-generated visuals and voiceovers. Perfect for passive income. Synthesia AI avatars that present your content professionally. Great for online courses, explainer videos, and corporate training. AI is here to make money for you, so why not take advantage of it? Which tool excites you the most? Comment below. Like, share, and subscribe for more money-making AI tips.